Would you like your pixie curls to go from this to this? Please keep watching this video if you're interested. So first, I'm going to use a T-pin to hold the wig onto my mannequin head. And then I'm going to make a section and clip the rest of the hair using the hair clip. The next step is to wet the hair thoroughly with water and to detangle the hair from the tip to the top using the paddle brush. Once we are done with this section, we will go ahead to make another, and the cycle of wetting and detangling the hair continues. So this is how it is looking after tangling with the paddle brush. At this point, you can wear your pixie curls like this if you wish, but for more definition, we are going to apply a generous amount of mousse and then brush through the hair using the octopus brush. Do you see the way those curls are popping? Do you see that definition? Like, that is exactly what we want. Okay, this is actually called a wet look. So this is the end of this video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my page, whether you're viewing from TikTok or YouTube, and let me know in the comment section which brush you prefer between the paddle brush and the octopus brush.